Finding it hard keeping up with the trending topics on X. This is how to quickly find what is trending on X. And we are going to be doing this with a new feature. Now, to do that, go ahead and click on X application to have it open. Now, you click on your profile icon, and there you are going to see the premium icon. You click on that. Now, when you choose premium, you notice where it says studio. Click on studio. Now, from studio, you are going to select even one more link or one more navigation. Now, you notice where it says inspiration. Click on inspiration. Now, from inspiration, you are going to see everything that is trending within the last 24 hours, and you can see them even narrowed down. This is the most liked. You can actually click on most reply and most quote. And also on default, is going to show you your country. You can see clearly it is on Nigeria. You can also click on this to change this, and then you can say all country, and it's going to be displaying it for all country. So guys, this is what I want to share with you, and I hope it's helpful. And apart from this method, you can also click on more view, and you can also click in 7 days to see what is also trending the most. And then apart from this, guys, another thing you can also do to see what is trending is also to go over to this area. Right, you click on the classic navigation bar, and then from here you can see what is trending. And then apart from this, you can also click on the global trend, and then you see what is also trending on the global area. So from here on, you can actually choose different country by clicking on this area and also selecting globe. Now, it is very important to choose globe, because with the globe option, you'll be able to see what is trending around the whole world. That is actually going to help you to narrow out and get even more audience. But if you want to focus on only your geolocation, choose a particular geolocation and focus on that. So with this, I hope this video is helpful. If it is much like, I will see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace.